What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, M. Williams. You see this cut? I'm about to cut it up. About to chop it off. That's before. Now look at here. You see how long her hair is? Like bra strap length. And I'm doing this pixie cut. Her hair is color treated. She actually let her own daughter cut her hair. She's not a stylist or anything like that. She just let her daughter put a box color in. So you see me forming this pixie cut right here on natural hair, but color treated hair, which means it's chemically treated once you put that permanent color in there. So she wanted to leave the top fringe area long. Her hair was natural, but color treated now. So a lot of people don't understand. Once you put that color in there and you go lighter, now your hair is color treated. So it won't respond. It won't have the texture that it did. It'll pull some of the texture out. So she just wanted to cut her hair for 2022. This is after the shampoo. You see it has a little texture in there. But like I said, it would have had more if it wasn't color treated. And here's the final look. I hope you guys